First, 5 on GRU. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. First game, it's GRU versus Mapua. First 5 on Mapua. Rajman, Libres, Camus, Malajos, and first 5 on GRU, Wesley, Mavi, Pilarca, Montoya, and Alak.
05. Wala din. 710. 29. Alak. Archangel.
First position of GRU. Now Mavi. First attempt, first shot, too strong, short, rebound on Montoya. Favorite shot, in and out, Malajos, rebound. Now Malajos. Looking for Libres, in and out. Rushman, left-handed shot, too strong, Libres again, Libres fake, Libres, too strong, Rushman, yes on Rushman. It's 2-0. It's GRU against Mapua. Mavi, Tualak, Montoya again, in and out. Mavi, same spot, Mavi, first basket, Mavi, 2-all. This is our first game. It's Mapua versus GRU. It's GRU ball, GRU. Now Mavi. Pass to Alak to Montoya, same spot, bang! On Montoya. Now for 2. 2-point lead on GRU. Malajos. Out. 8 minutes and 15 seconds. This time check is brought to you by Color Sports. Basketballista. And Mapua, Wesley. Pilarca, back to Mavi. In and out. Rebound again on GRU. Montoya. Steal by Rushman. Now it's 4-on-3. Rushman, save Rushman. Traveling violation on Rushman. Turnover against Mapua. Still score 4 against 2. Now Mavi. 18 resets at 18 to shoot. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Mavi side step. Wesley pick. 14 to shoot. Wesley open jump, too strong. Rebound on Rushman. Now Camus, 1-and-1. Pick, nice pass. Malajos to the big guy. What a pass now for all. Nice pass coming from Malajos. Wow. Foul on Libres. First on Libres. First team foul, Mapua. For all. First deadlock of the game. (6 minutes and 50 seconds). Now 5-4, 1 point lead on JRU. Now Camus. Pass to Rajman. Rajman. Downside. Now 6-5. 1 point lead on Mapua. Wesley. To Mavi. Back to Wesley. Pilarca. Favorite shot. Too strong. Top by Camus. Archangel now. Archangel. Pass to Camus. Steal by Montoya. Montoya goes to goals. Montoya now 7-6. Back to 1 point lead on GRU. Camus. Rebound by Alak. Alak to Pilarca. Mavi. Baseball pass. Wesley. 2-1. Wesley all alone. Wesley 9 against 6. It's 3 point lead GRU. Rushman, drive, side step. It's GRU ball, GRU. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Went on Mavi. Back to Mavi. Montoya, open shot. Montoya, too strong. Rebound on Rushman. It's 1-2. Rushman move. Yes! On Rushman. 8-9. 1 point lead GRU. Mavi. Now Montoya. Pilarca. Montoya again. Montoya. In and out. Camus rebound. Camus. Coast to coast. Camus. Rebound by Rushman. Rushman big. Rushman attack. Tubog Malajos. Malajos. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Malajos. It's 11-9. 1-2 point lead on Mapua.
At mangipikas daw.
4 minutes and 34 seconds. Bounding Camus. Malajos. Libres. Foul. Foul on Alak. Foul on Pilarca. First on Pilarca. First team foul against GRU.
17.
4 minutes and 26 seconds. 11-9. 2 point lead against Mapua. Foul on Wesley. Steal by Rushman. Nice defense on Wesley. It's 3-2. Wesley, pass to Montoya. Montoya, in and out. Camus foul. Foul on number 23 on Mavi. First against Mavi. Second team foul, JRU. Libres. Short. Now Pilarca. To Wesley. Wesley. Yes, to Montoya. 11-9. 11 all. Time out. On Mapua.
Doon. Richard? Hindi, yung sukon. Si Richard. Si Richard. Bayan ng mga 100 doon. Pakuha ko 100. Andun kaya doon.
Ibagay na sa'yo.
Wala pa. Kunin mo doon.
It's 3 minutes and 46 seconds. 11 all.
Ikaw na magdala pula, no? Vamos. Ikaw na magdala.
Second leg of the game. It's Mapua against JRU. Now Camus. Kadimil Montoya. Malajos. In and out. Archangel. Archangel. Short. Again. Yes, now 13-11. It's 2 point lead on Mapua. Pilarca. Pass to Montoya, steal. It's 3-on-3. Stop, back, Malajos. Pump. In and out. Rebound on Mabi. Now Wesley.
Montoya.
Yes, on Montoya. 13 all. It's 3 minutes. Malajos. Pilar ka. Now it's 4-on-1. Pass to Wesley. Pass to Mabi. Pass to Pilar. In and out. Pilar ka again. Yes, on Pilar ka. It's 15-13.
Ibilis, kulang
2-point lead on JRU. Camus. In and out. Rutman again. Rutman. Bang! Basket count and 1. On Rutman. Foul on number 3 on Wesley.
Third.
First on Wesley. 13 foul on JRU.
First. Montoya.
Short.
Okay, kulang. Bilis, basa.
Ay, agla.
Now Wesley. Yes. On Pilar ka.
Marami kayo sila.
Wala ko pagpon eh. Wala niyo, magbibigay sila. Walang bibigay sila.
Yes. Now 19 against 17. Pilar ka. Yes, on Alok. It's 22 against 15, 7-point lead against JRU. Still again on Pilar ka.
Oh no.
Now Montoya, 24-15, 9-point lead on JRU. Libres. Turnover.
Time out na kayo. Nag-time out na kayo.
Wala pa.
Time out. Makuha. 24 against the 15. 9-point lead. JRU. $24 against 15. Now Mabi, Montoya. In and out, 1 minute. Now Camus. Drive, block by Wesley. Now Mabi to Montoya. Montoya, pass to Alang. Still by Malajos. Malajos. Archangel, in and out, Rushman, it's 17-24, 40 seconds. In and out, Rushman rebound.
Rutman. Oh no.
In and out, Camus. 3-second violation now, makuha, 23 seconds.
Mike, okay lang. Message mo daw siya na ano. Isasend na lang.
Ilang jersey ka na kumuha ng mga bayad kung sumabi sa isa?
Hindi ko alam.
Yung malaki.
Kailan nagawa?
Ha?
Yun na yung
Di, ginawa niya yung jersey, di ba? Yung malaki. Binigay niya ni Anderson. Yun na yun.
Ay, magbabayad mo mamaya daw.
Sabi. Sumabi.
Bang! On! Montoya, 5 seconds. And knock.
Ito ang tumingin sa akin na. Yung kamay, yung mabing.
Lagyan mo na ang 19. Lagyan mo na.
Ayusin mo. Mas ano yung ano dyan sa'yo?
19 yan.
27-18.
Bayaran mo mamaya, hindi nagbayad ah. Sabi mo kasi eh. Kasi kunin mo. Hindi, ipapakita mo sa akin, girl. Hindi, makaiset yun na yung jersey na unahin niya eh. Unahin mo nga dito. Bilis ng ulo mo. Huwag ka na dito. Tanggalin ko yun dyan. Unahin mo dito. Beses sa sinabihan dyan. Tanggalin mo dyan, no?
1927, no?
Second quarter.
Bakit sa iyo dyan eh? Ba't ka dito nagkuhan? Problema diyan dyan.
It's Mapua ball, Mapua.
Ano mo dito? Ilan, ang dami mo dito.
Tuck in tayo, sir. Para maganda, tuck in shirt. Awad, Kim. Bang! Now 22, okay, 27.
Ay, wala. 22. Ikaw din.
Oo, skate!
5-point lead on GIU. Labarias. Primo. In and out. Rebound on Esquivel. It's Mapua ball, Mapua. Warning on GRU on Labarias for delay in the game. Now Rigalde. JD. Minorias. 14 to shoot. Minorias again. Alarcon. Pow!
Sige. Sigaw.
First team foul on GRU.
Sino yan? 20 ba?
First shot. First basket of Alarcon. It's GRU ball. 9 minutes, 23 against the 27.
Rep, sigaw mo number rep. Sigaw.
Primo. Nice defense on Alarcon. 14 to shoot. 8 minutes and 45 seconds. De La Cruz. Wow! De La Cruz. 29 to 23. It's 6-point lead now on GRU. Bang! On Rivalde. 26 to 29. 3-point lead back to GRU. Esquivel.
Lapit!
Primo. Labarias. Back to De La Cruz. 14 to shoot. De La Cruz back to Labarias. Fake. Labarias trap. De La Cruz 10 to shoot. De La Cruz. Bang! On De La Cruz. 32 to 26. Six-point lead
JD.
on GRU. JD. In and out. Now, baseball card turnover on GRU. 7 minutes and 34 seconds. It's 6-point lead against GRU. Now, Minorias. Rigalde. Cardinal by Labarias. It's GRU ball. GRU. Now, De La Cruz. Short. Alarcon, rebound. Now, Rigalde, punch shot. Rebound on the big count.
Primo, ay.
Escobel. Lavarias. Out, too strong. Primo, 40 to shoot. Turnover again on JRU. Rigalde. Alarcon. Top. Now, Primo. Primo, coast to coast. Primo, now De La Cruz. Minorias. To JD. Stop pump. Favorite shot, JD. Now, top by Escobel. Nice fake. It's 3-2. Side step. Pow. Foul on Minorias. First, tama po ha. First team foul, Minorias. It's 6 minutes. 33 against the 26. Escobel. Ow! In and out by Escobel. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Minorias.
Oy, tumitira yan.
Rigalde.
Oy.
At out! Turnover. Now Escobel. To De La Cruz. Primo. Bang! Basket count and 1 on Primo. Time out. Ano po? It's 5 minutes and 34 seconds. 35 to 26. 9.3 on JRU. Bonus free throw on Primo. Foul. Foul on Primo. First on Primo. Second team foul, JRU. Rigalde. JD. Alarcon, fake. Alarcon, foul. Foul on number 7.
Bagalonon.
Ang paganuhan, 13 foul, JRU.
Second 7. Bagalonon.
Second personal foul on number 7 ang paganuhan. 5 minutes and 11 seconds. 35 to 26. Foul Lavarias. Lavarias drive, coast to coast, pass to Escobel. Primo, yes, nice pass coming from Escobel to Primo. Now 37-26. 11-point lead on JRU. JD. In and out again. Top. Short.
Again.
Now Lavarias to Primo. Big. Short. Primo again. Top. Lavarias. Now Escobel to Lavarias. Lavarias pass to Primo. Yes, on Primo. 39 to 26. 13-point lead on JRU. Yes, now 28 to 39. 4 minutes.
Oh, yun na. Nice block.
Black. It's same ball. 70 to shoot. 70. Escobel, nice pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz, foul. Foul on 0-0
Matibag, second.
on Matibag. Second on Matibag. Second team foul on Mapua. Now 40-28. 12-point lead on JRU. 41-28, 13-point lead on JRU. Minorias. In and out, rebound by Esquivel.
Primo.
Primo, foul. Foul on number 5. On 25 on Minorias. 13 foul, Mapua.
Minorias, second.
Totohin nyo na.
42-28. Now 43-28. It's 15-point lead on GRU.
Ilaw. Ilo, hey.
Go there.
Too strong. Stop. Laban out. De La Cruz. JD. Stop. JD. Too strong. De La Cruz again. Rebound. Now De La Cruz. It's 4-on-1. Primo. Yes on Primo. It's 45-28. Rigalde. Yes on Rigalde. 13-45.
Okay, okay.
It's 15-point lead GRU. Forty to shoot. De La Cruz, 10. Bang! On De La Cruz. Rigalde. Yes! On Rigalde. 47-32. Now Lamarias.
Okay lang pumapatas rito.
Escobel. Minorias rebound. Now on Rigalde. Rigalde drive. Pass intercept ng De La Cruz. To Escobel. Foul. Foul on 0-0 on Matibag. Third.
Team foul.
Third. Third team foul, third personal foul.
Kanya second si Minoria.
Minoria, second.
Oh, 5 fouls sila.
1 minute and 44 seconds. Alarcon. To Rigalde. Foul. Basket not count.
Escobel, 92.
Foul on Escobel. Warning for penalty on GRU. First, second on Escobel. A ball. Rebound on Gilbal. It's GRU ball. GRU, 1 minute and 23 seconds. 47 against the 32. Lamarias. Primo. Bang! On Primo. 1 minute. Steal again by De La Cruz. Lamarias. Yes, on Lamarias. 52-32, 20-point lead now. Alarcon. Yes, on Alarcon. 34-52, 35 seconds. 30 30 seconds.
Wala na sa laro. Lalo pang mawawala kayo.
14 to shoot.
Lala lang, wait sa gino.
Escobel. 5. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On primo.
Wala na.
10 seconds.
Tira yan.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Jerry. And now for second quarter, 55 to 37, our score. JRU. Third quarter ready, third quarter. And our official referee for today is referee Apatan and referee Manuel. And still, we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's GRU ball, GRU.
Oh, takin tayo, takin.
Takin tayo, mami. Wesley. Anderson.
Mabi.
Tira.
Crocs.
10!
Wesley.
Ayos, Wesley.
Whoa, Wesley!
30. Oh no.
Box kayo, box.
Ayun. Mabi. Mabi.
Ay, sabi!
Close. 2 points. 59.
Now 59-37. Steal by Wesley.
Okay, dalhin mo. Ay.
Ow! Turnover against JRU. 9 minutes!
Dalhin mo. Ikaw na magdala. Go, kabila ka dyan. Lalim mo.
14 to shoot. Oh, 39 against the 59. 20-point lead on JRU.
Box. Oh, ilalim mo.
Now Wesley.
Oh, libre Jim, Mabi.
Brooks, 10 to shoot.
Nice. Kita mo kung sino ka.
In and out. Rebound by Wesley.
Okay, nakita na.
It's GRU ball.
JRU.
Oh, pero wala. Ikaw, kunin mo na isa. Wala isang taong ko dyan.
Ayun.
10 to shoot. Wesley. Foul. Low. Basket count and 1 on Wesley. Foul on number 6 of Mapua.
Yan, depensa.
7 minutes and 40 seconds. Foul on Wesley.
Kaya. Nice.
Crocs.
Ow! In and out by Brooks.
Bigay mo na. Screen, oh, malaki.
Obiana.
Siguro.
Short by Obiana. It's Mapua ball. Mapua. Seven minutes.
Tira. Diskarte na, screen. Bigay
10
mo.
to shoot.
Bigyan mo school lalim. Game.
Libre.
Foul.
Three.
Foul on Crooks. First on Crooks. First team foul on JIU.
Dito.
Ha?
Dito?
200.
Put it one.
Lenovo.
Isa kayong tao, kuno na yung tao niyo kasi.
Only this give me money, huh? Take 5.
Patrap.
5 set.
Ano isa?
165
West.
minus 200. Plus 50 tax. 155.
Foul.
One just so that. Tomorrow because I have the in game.
Tomorrow give me money?
125 balance. Tomorrow in all game. After the game, after the game. Put 125 ba? 125 dito. 155. Put 155. Tomorrow.
Grabe.
Foul. Foul again on 3 on Crooks.
3, Wesley.
Wesley. Foul on Wesley.
Second on
Second on Wesley.
Wesley.
Second team foul against JIU.
Yes,
41 to 61.
Kanya, asan yung tao mo? Wala yung usaw.
Crocs.
Yes on Crooks.
63.
Kaya ko yan.
Wow, troubling violation, troubling. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Now Wesley Anderson. In and out.
Fabiana.
Screen.
Fabiana. 3-second violation against Mapua. Turnover on Mapua.
Wesley.
Still by Mapua. Fabiana. Short. Wesley. Umabi. 5 minutes. Time out on Mapua. It's 65 to 41. It's 24-point lead on JRU.
Bila kelos. Kaya na ito muna. Sige pa dito. Kasi para ako. Pagkakap biya pa kaya.
Gabiola.
Gambiola. Yes, nice pass from Gambiola. It's 43 to 65. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Now, Alak. 14 to shoot. Montoya. Ibang may Crooks. Fabiana now. Fabiana. Gambiola, foul. Foul on Anderson. 13 foul on JRU. First on Anderson.
Yan, bantayan nyo agad yung kanina. Tapatan yung kanina yung tao nyo. Challenge lang.
Short. 4 minutes and 18 seconds. Rebound on Alak. to Anderson.
Oh,
Too strong. Alak. Oh! One move by Alak. It's 67 to 43. Foul. Oh, troubling violation, troubling. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Subrep.
Wala, tambak. Wala ba tambak?
Crooks to Anderson. Troubling violation against Anderson. Turnover again by JRU. It's 3 minutes and 20. Rush out, Pabiana. Huling na natin again. Pabiana. Libres. Too strong. Rebound by Pabiana. Yun lagi, Pabiana again. Foul. Foul on number 6 on Pabiana. Second team foul on Mapua. First on Pabiana. Anderson. Foul. Foul on number 9 on Gabiola. Third team foul, Mapua. Substitution that's out.
Gabiola first. Try mo. Ay, Balalona.
Balalunan. Alak. Yes! On Alak.
Iwan lang yan! Straight! Dong, kaya mo dong!
Foul on number 7 on Mapua. Warning for penalty on Mapua. Two minutes. Steal by Anderson. Yes, on Anderson. Foul. 1 minute and 46 seconds. 14 to shoot. From Viana. Yes! On Fabiana. 71-45.
Anderson. Wow.
Brooks.
Grabe ka na kuya!
Now Anderson.
Sa tako riyan!
Out alone on Rushman. Yes. Now 47-71. 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Harap na! Nagabal mo!
14 to shoot. Foul.
Ah, 3 points.
Foul on number 1 on Rushman. Warning for penalty against Mapua.
Watchman first.
Pa, 55 seconds pa.
72 against 47.
Two, three.
73. Nice 3 points out on Anderson. 74-47. 45 seconds. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Rigalde.
Okay, kaya!
25 seconds. Crooks. In and out. Now Rigalde.
Aywa.
Short. Top. Pabiana. 15 seconds. Libres. Short.
Aywa.
Yes on Libres. 52. 74. And now for third quarter, our score, it's 74 to 52. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. Our next game will be Love versus Perpetual. Last quarter, last quarter. It's JRU ball, JRU. Now Wesley. Pilarka, favorite shot, short. Ibanor Archangel, to Camos. Foul. Foul on Wesley. First team foul on JRU. Third personal foul on number 3 on Wesley. Black by De La Cruz. Now Esquivel. Mavi. De La Cruz. Short. Steal by JRU. De La Cruz. Nice defense on Alarcon. It's 9 minutes. 74 to 52. Esquivel, troubling violation against Esquivel. Turnover on JRU. Rushman, Camos. Too strong. Rebound on Rushman. Short again. Artijena, 10 to shoot. Foul. Oh! Troubling violation on Rushman. 8 minutes and 15. It's all by JRU. 74 to 52. Wesley. Back to Wesley. De La Cruz. Foul. Foul on number 15 on Mapua.
Maya pa.
Basket time sa substitution na. Basket substitution.
Maya pa.
Sabrab, substitution. In 7 minutes and 40 seconds. (76 to 52). 14 to shoot. Camos. Nice pass outside. Libres. Foul. Foul on number 92 on Esquivel. Second team foul on JRU. Second personal foul on Esquivel. 2 free throw shot. 2 Libres. Now 53-76. It's same ball. Time out on JRU. It's 76 to 53 our score. 23-point lead on JRU. 7 minutes last quarter. Back to the ball game.
Nakondisyon muna daw siya bago.
Now Wesley.
Hindi, Jackie na wala dito.
Short. Ipon by Libres. Foul. Foul on De La Cruz. 13 foul on JIU. First on De La Cruz. Black again by De La Cruz. Substitution left sub. Rigalde. In and out. In and out again. Top. Libres. Too strong. Same ball. 6 minutes. Mavi. O De La Cruz. Escobel. Yes, one move coming from Escobel. Still again by Escobel. It's 4-2. Wesley. Still by Rigalde. Rigalde to set. To Cabos. Bang! Basket count on one by Cabos. Foul on Wesley. Fourth personal foul on Wesley. Warning on Wesley. Substitution left substitution. Warning on GRU. 14 foul against GRU. Now Cabos again. Too strong. Libres. Back to Cabos. In and out. Tap. Rebound by De La Cruz. Now De La Cruz. Unselfish pass to Isabel to Pilarca. It's 80 to 55. 5 minutes. Escobel again. Now to Montoya. Montoya. Yes, on Montoya. It's 82 to 55. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Cabos. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Montoya. 85 to 58. Something to say left sub. Four minutes and 17 seconds. Archangel 60 against 285. 4 minutes. Montoya. Rebound Archangel 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Traveling violation on Rigalde.
Bola!
Rocks. Wow. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Again, too strong by Malajos. Rebound by Primo. Now Anderson. Malajos.
Aywa.
Nice pass. Oh! Turnover on Archangel. 3 minutes and 10.
Monsoy.
Still by Camos. 3 minutes.
Aywa. 3 points.
Short.
Ayun na, baba lang. Oras. Baba na. May oras.
2 minutes na lang.
In and out. Crocs rebound. 10 to shoot. 3-second violation on Montoya.
Hindi sinasadya.
Nice pass. Archangel.
Ayya.
Block by Primo.
Kamo.
Camos.
Ayya.
Too strong. Primo again rebound.
Nice!
Block. 5 minutes. 2 minutes and 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Air ball. It's 85 to 60 our score. 25-point lead on JIU. Yes, on Camos. 62 against 85. 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Montoya.
Montoya to Primo. Back to Montoya. In and out, Rocks. It's Mapua ball, Mapua. Archangel. Yes, on Archangel. Now 64 against 85. 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Tap.
Manager.
1 minute. Yes, on Malajos. 64, 66 against 85. 58 seconds.
Tira! Tira! Pumasok. O, sige. Okay.
14 to shoot.
Dan.
Now Malajos. 40 seconds. 33 seconds. 33.
Aywa.
Crocs.
3
Pero
points.
tayo.
25 seconds. 14 to shoot. 20 seconds.
Aywa.
10 seconds.
Under sound.
5 seconds.
Last chance, Tan! Last chance!
And now our game winner, JRU. It's 85 against the 66.